What's up, guys? So now I'm here in iOS 12 and I'm now a Pusheen fan, but who cares? Let's get to the real topic. I'm going to show you how to make your custom ringtones for free, no computer, and no jailbreak. This is the new method that's available for those who can download the Documents app and the GarageBand app. Since sometime in 2018, the GarageBand suddenly became a free app. Let me search for that for a little bit. You can check that out. GarageBand is no longer paid. You can download it on whatever you want. It is now no longer paid. And the next stuff you're gonna need is the Documents app. Documents by Readdle, or just anything that can be seen by the Files app. This is available on iOS 11 and above because it has this new Files app, which is really cool. Let me just zoom that out a little bit. You can see there should be one thing called Documents. And we're gonna go into Documents and we're gonna go download the MP3 file. Let me just enter my password real quick. And now once we're in there, you should see an introduction right there. But now because I'm already set up, you just need to go to a browser. Also, you need an internet connection. Just search for Pusheen right there. And let's say I want a Alan Walker Fade, the NCS version, as my ringtone. So let's just quickly set it up right there. Just type your MP3 file. Let's see. Now you can see you can download it, but no matter we're just gonna copy it right there. Click copy link, and I'm gonna go into a really minimal website called ytmp3.cc. This is really convenient since we just have to download it right there. And you just insert the video link right there. And let's just paste it. Can convert. And while it converts, it's not going to take really long as long as you have a stable internet connection, as long as it's reliable. And you don't have to wait for it so long. It's probably not going to take really long. And now if you see the download button, just click on it. We're going to wait for that for a second. You can see the little Ajax logo. Converting the video. This is part of the process, so you're just going to wait for a really long time. Not really long. Just kidding. Here we go. Click on the downloads button. You should see this come right in. But before you do that, click the X, and once this pops up, choose done. He's gonna save it in there for a little bit. So you can see 6.2 megabytes. That's gonna take quite some time. But we're gonna go back. And once it's done, you can just go to go back to Documents, click Downloads. And you can see it's downloaded this percentage. You can view it right there. It's coming pretty fast. You'll wait until 100% and make sure it can play. Here we go. Now you can play. Just click the X. Now what you're going to do when you have to download GarageBand. The GarageBand app is quite big, so we're just going to open GarageBand right there. You can see this is the new stuff. Click on the plus right there on the top right corner. And we're going to go back and choose something called Recorder. Right there, click on Recorder. It's not going to take really long. Then click on this button right there, up there. Then choose the Loose button. Then click on File. Then choose Use from the from the Files app and choose Documents right there. I'm gonna quickly enter my password right there. We're in there. Now it's possible to access all the files from the Documents app inside of the iOS 11 Files app. So you can see I go to Downloads. There's one thing called Alan Walker Fate, something like that. Hold the app and drag it outside. I guess you just have to click it right there. Let's see, where does it go? I guess it's right there. Hold it and drag it onto the track and align from the very beginning. Choose my songs or my files, whatever. Hold on it and see until you see something called Share. Click Share and choose Ringtone right there, the one with the bell icon. I'm gonna just call this Fade. The alignment isn't really good. Yes, right there. Click Export and wait for it to export. Then you just click OK. Then voila, here you can